Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about fence dogs. What's the difference between normal fence dogs and our quad fence dogs? So what's the difference between the two? So the standard fence dog has a boss here, and this is machined to 19.96 to 19.98, whereas the quad dogs use our quad dog bases here, which expand when tightened up. So why have we got two different types? The reason would be is hole sizes are not always perfectly 20 mil. So if you have got a good set of holes that are 20 mil, these are perfect. These will go in the hole, they will come out like so. But where with the quad dogs, you put them in and you tighten them up like so. That there locks them into place, like as you can see there, lifting up the table. So what are the pros and cons of both? So with the quad dog, as I said, this is perfect for holes that are oversized. But the con side of it is once you've tightened them up in your hole and you've attached the fence to that hole, you have to remove it. You have to remove the fence first, and then you untwist and remove it. Once again, the quad dogs are ideal for holes that are oversized, but the con side of it is you have to remove the fence to remove it. Whereas the fence dog fits in perfectly, and if you've got access underneath, you can then put in a thumb screw to attach it to lock it in place. The bad side of it, if your sort of holes are oversized, you can get this wobble. Now, once you've got two fence dogs in, this wobble does disappear, like so. So if I put this in here. So as you can see, the wobble has nearly disappeared. It's not going to be completely disappeared. It would only disappear once you use the thumb screws underneath. You can easily just pick this up out of the way, put it to one side, and then relocate it again in the holes as you need it. Whereas, mentioned before, the quad dogs are not able to do that. So a little tip on using your quad dogs in holes that are oversized, where you can see it easily goes in, and it will take you a while to then turn that around, is to simply just tighten it a little bit. Put it in, and then that locks it into place. So there you have it, a little introduction into the fence dogs and the different types, their pros and their cons.